Riot Creative Imaging recently partnered with Oklahoma Aquarium to transform their exhibits with a new collection of dazzling color graphic displays, helping to attract thousands of visitors while creating a guest experience that is exciting, interactive, and educational. At Riot, we consult with you to clearly define your vision so that we can bring it to life in vivid color, evoking emotion and inspiring action. Our project managers will do whatever it takes to help you meet a tight deadline. And our experts use the latest materials and production techniques to craft your display to the highest standards, leaving a lasting impression with your audience. We're obsessed with quality from beginning to end. Once your graphics are ready, we'll assemble and install them with skill, ownership, and attention to detail. To learn how Riot can help you transform your vision into reality, call us today at 833-272-8880 or visit us at www.riotcolor.com.